The third conditional statement is ELIF. If you're coming from other programming language, some of them call it else if. So this is more like combining else if as ELIF. Let's do an example. ELIF basically is for multiple tests, multiple conditional tests. If something doesn't happen, it should try another one. If that doesn't happen, it should try another one. Else, if it doesn't happen, try another one. And lastly, an ELIF statement will end with an else. It's kind of a condition in between the if statement and the else statement. After the if statement, if something is true, it should do this. If it is not that, if it is something else, it should express it, should print out something, or write out a statement. If it is not that, if it's something else, it should write out another statement. So let's just get into it so you understand. Let's put in age. By now you will understand that we're going to put inputs into the int, that is convert it using the int. So I'm going to just type how old are you. I'm going to do a test. The first test is if age is greater than 0 and age is less than 13. Can you see here we are actually still we are adding a more complex condition. If that is true, then it should print you are just starting. If you are greater than 0 and less than 13, you're just starting. That's from the age 1 to 12. Then again, I can also test for other age. ELIF age 13 and age is greater than 13 and age is less than 20. So if you are between 13 and 19, that is what this command is saying. Age is greater than 13 and age is less than 19. It evaluates this and then also prints out statement. You are a teenager. So let's just do some more. Else if age is greater than 19 and age is less than 45. This is just trying to give you some information. Age is less than 45. Let's say you're a grown adult. You are a grown adult. Let's do another one. Else age is greater than 45 and age is less than 60. This will print out you are so getting old. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the print there. And the last, well, not the last, if age is greater than 60, that is let's print out you are a senior citizen. You old. Okay. Else, like I said, you start with an if and you end with an else. That is, if all these conditions, of course, you don't have to do an else. If all these conditions are not met, say the person entered -2. That is when it's going to do this, because it's not in between. This condition is not 0, it's not 13, it's not in between 13 and 20, it's not in between 19 and 44, like that. So the command there will be, I'm just going to print out, we cannot process you. Are you an alien? Yeah, that's the question to ask, because I don't know what age you'll be if you're not in any of this group. So let's give this a try. The You can see here we take in the integer and we test if age is greater than 0 and age is 13. That's an option. Let's give it a try. So if I don't know what just happened right now, but I'm gonna run it one more time. Okay, so it's running. I don't know why that happened. So let's just type in 12 or 11 years. So with 11, it means I'm just starting. It's going to print out this. So let's try between 19 and 45. Let's run it one more time. It's going to ask 19 and 45. So I can say 23. So I expect the results to be you are a grown adult. Yeah, that's what comes out. You're a grown adult. Let's try let's just try, greater than 60. So 90 years. If you enter, it's going to say you are a senior citizen, you're old. And lastly, let's put minus. Okay, let's do it again. I don't know why it's showing this. Did I press anything? Let's do it again. How old are you? I will say I'm -9. -9 is not in the range here, so it's going to go to this. That we can't process your age. So it said we cannot process you. Are you an alien? So this is how the if statement works. If you're using if statement, or you're using if else statement, or you're using if ELIF and else. So this is how they work.